How are you?
I'm fine.
Alright, so let's start the next lesson, that is third one for code.org grade K5 courses. So we already logged into the code.org. Let's go to the course catalog. In course catalog there will be a grade K5. Okay. So we already finished the first two lessons. Hope you watched it and loved it. So let's see what's there in next lesson. There is excitement because in first two lessons we learned, in first lesson we learned how to drag and drop the object. In second lesson we helped Scrat to reach to the ecran. So there is the next lesson, programming with Scrat. So let's see what's there in this lesson. So here is the intro video. So let's skip and continue.
Today we're going to learn about pair programming.
So here is the level second for the programming with Scrat. So we need to help again Scrat to reach to the ecran by using the blocks. One step south. Two steps out.
And 3 steps out.
Okay. Let's run it. Okay, so we help Scrat to reach to the ecran. So let's move to the next puzzle. So here is the next level. Let's start the program. One east
and 2 east.
Okay, one more east. So let's okay.
2 east are done, and then run the program.
Okay, the level is completed. Let's move to the next puzzle. Okay, so next puzzle. So I think this puzzle is little bit tricky.
This puzzle is a little tricky.
So let's see.
I'm going to take 1 step east.
One step east. Okay.
And 1 step south.
One step south. Let's run it.
1 step east and 1 step north.
Wow. So you completed the puzzle. Let's move to the next one. That is the puzzle fifth. So we need to help Scrat to reach to the ecran by using the blocks.
1 east.
One east.
2 east.
One more east.
And 1 more north.
Okay, one more north. Let's run it. Okay, so level is completed. Let's move to the next puzzle. So there is an intro video to the debugging.
All computer scientists, no matter how experienced they are, run into errors that they need to fix. This is where debugging comes in.
Let's
Debugging
continue.
is just a word that means finding and fixing.
So here is the next level. So we need to fix what is missing. We need to figure out what is missing in this code, and we need to help Scrat to reach to the ecran. So let's see.
I just need 1 north.
Okay, one more step north. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so let's move to the next puzzle. So here is the puzzle 8. Again we need to help Scrat to reach to the ecran by using the blocks. So let's start.
I'm going to take 1 east,
Okay, one step east.
another east,
Okay.
and then another east.
Mm-hmm.
And then someone takes south then, and then right.
Okay. Wow, so you completed the puzzle 8. So let's move to the next puzzle. So there is a challenge puzzle. We need to we need to solve that challenge. So let's see what's there in the challenge. So we are ready to solve the challenge. Okay, so in this challenge puzzle, we need to help Akron. We need to help Scrat to reach to the Akron. So there are some broken ice, so we need to avoid that, and we need to help Scrat to reach to the Akron.
So we need one step south, no, one step north,
One step north, okay.
and then one step west,
One step west,
and then another west,
two step west.
and then
I think one more step west, right?
I think so too. And then south,
No, I think there will be only two west. South, okay,
and then another west.
okay.
Let's run.
Okay, so congratulations, we completed the challenge. So let's move to the next puzzle. Let's continue. So in this puzzle, we need to help Scrat to reach to the Akron. So we need to fix the bug to get Scrat to the Akron. So let's see.
I one step east,
One step west, okay,
west, and then north,
okay,
and then
west and north. Wow, so you fixed the bug and completed the puzzle. So let's continue to the next puzzle. So here is the next puzzle. Again, we need to help Akron. We need to help Scrat to reach to the Akron. So we need to use the blocks.
one west,
One west,
two west,
two west,
and three west.
three west. Wow. What was the next?
North.
Okay, north. Let's run. West, 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 and one step north. So wow, so you completed the puzzle 11. Let's move to the next one. So here is the last puzzle from the lesson programming with Scrat. So here there is a one more block get added called repeat. So if we want to repeat any steps, so we can use this repeat block, and we can give the number, so how many time we need to repeat that step. So we can use that repeat block to develop our code, to develop our program. So let's see. Again, we need to help Akron to reach. No, we need to help Scrat to reach to the Akron. So let's start.
Repeat,
So you're going to use the repeat.
and then north,
Okay, so we have, so Scrat will move to the north, 4 step. Okay,
and then repeat,
mm-hmm.
4,
Okay, again 4 step repeat,
and then west,
west. Okay,
and then let's run the program.
1 step, 2 step.
3 step, 4 step, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step.
Hey.
Yay, the puzzle is complete.
Okay, so we completed the programming with Scrat lesson. In that we completed all the puzzles. So okay, so next time we'll start with the next puzzle, next lesson. So stay tuned. So thank you.
Like and subscribe, watch our videos. Bye. Don't forget to click bell icon.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.